Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. There is a big update from Wipro. Wipro is hiring 2022 pass out batch. Qualification should be BCA or BSc. Eligibility is 60% in your graduation. Last date to apply is 11 November 2021. This is off campus mega drive. Now what is the selection process? What is the streams eligible? Everything we will discuss in this video. So let's get started. So when you click on the link, apply link, which you'll find in the description box, then you will be redirected to this page. This is the official website of Superset. Here you can see they posted the job. Let me zoom this for you. So here you can see this is WILP of campus hiring 2022. Application deadlines, cost to company is CTC is 15,488 rupees per month. This is first year salary. And education is 10th pass, 12th pass, and graduation 60% or 6 GPA. Year of passing 2022, you can click here, see more. Here you can see detailed eligibility criteria. Either you have done BCA, it means bachelor's of computer application, or you should have done BSc. If you have done BSc, then your streams should be computer science, information technology, mathematics, statistics, economics, and physics. These are the other criteria. It means uh, you should not have any more than 3 years of education gap between 10th and your graduation. You should not have any gap during your graduation. These are some other criteria. You can read all the things. Stipend details: first year salary will be 15,480. It is ESI. Second year salary is 17,530 ESI. Third year stipend is 19,000. After that 618 rupees ESI. Fourth year salary is 23,000 per month. This is per month salary, okay, not per year salary. And there will be 60 months of bond service agreement. So you need to fill this form very carefully. So if you are comfortable with 5 years of bond, then please then apply, okay, otherwise don't apply. If you leave before 5 years, then it may you need to pay much amount, okay. So how to apply? You just need to click here, apply now. Once you click here, apply now, you need to click enter your email ID. Just I'm putting some random email ID at the rate gmail.com, and I click on next. After that, you need to click here, register and apply. Once you click here, register and apply, you need to fill this form. This is a very long form, but you need to fill basic details, contact details, all the things. Once you fill all the form, then you need to click here, submit. Okay, when you reach this step, here you will find an option, submit. Once you submit the form and you are eligible, then you will receive an exam link after 10 or 15 days. So this is the update. And one more thing, let me tell you selection process. So there will be total 3 rounds. First round will be aptitude test. In the aptitude test, you will have questions related to aptitude, quantitative aptitude, reasoning, and verbal ability. And second round will be technical interview. Third round will be HR interview. So these are the details. While filling the form, if you face any difficulties, you can feel free to ask in comment box. Now let me tell you very important thing. Relevel has launched their app on Play Store for Android users and on App Stores for iOS users. Click on the link available in the description box to directly check out the Relevel app. All you need is to download the app and log in to Relevel in a few simple steps by entering your contact details. Once you'll click on the download link, which is mentioned in the description box, then you will be redirected to either on Play Store or App Store based on your device. So this is Play Store. Here you can see app name is Relevel Job Search app. This is from Relevel by Unacademy. Here you can see the top rating. Rating is 4.7, and you can read the description like get your dream job in 15 days, select your stream, complete test in a single day, interviews, and get multiple offers. Leaderboard: top the monthly leaderboard to win exciting prizes. Here what you need to do, you just need to open this app. When you open this app, then this is the page of the app. Here you can see there are top companies which are hiring through Relevel. So there are top companies: Cred, Upgrade, Digit, 1MG, Razorpay, Redbus, Urban Company, lot of big MNCs. Now what you need to do, you just need to click here, no more. Here you can see take a re-level test, interview with employers and accept the offer letter. These are 3 steps. You need to click here register for free. Once you click here register for free, you need to choose your dream job, like in which exam, in which you want to give your exam. There are 5 options. First one is business development test, second one is front end development test, third one is back end development test, fourth one is business analytic test, fifth one is data analytic test. Suppose I want to select data analytic test, then I need to click here select. Then here I can see the test pattern. Total marks is 1000, and I need to score 700 out of 1000. So this is phase 1. In phase 1, the qualifying criteria for phase 2 is 200 out of 350 marks. And this is phase 2. Here you can see all the things. Here eligibility is 18 years of your age. You should have at least 18 years of age. And laptop or desktop is mandatory to write an exam, because you can't write your exam by this app. You can see your scorecard and important updates by this app. You can see all the things, but you can't write exam by this app. You need to have at least laptop or desktop. Okay, so yeah, now you need to click here book your free slot. Here you need to enter your mobile number and OTP. That's it. After that you need to book your you need to select your exam date, on which date you want to give exam. That's it. Okay, yeah. As I told you, registering for Relevel app is very simple. Sign up on Relevel app by entering your contact details and OTP. Select the test of your choice: business development, backend development, front-end development, data analyst or business analyst. Select a date and book a slot when you want to give the Relevel tests. Slots are limited, so I suggest you book it fast. That's it. You can log in on any PC or laptop on this selected date with the same details and attempt your Relevel test. Relevel tests are free of cost with no hidden charges, no mandatory TNCs. Once you qualify the Relevel test, you have access to 1000 plus job across top companies. They guarantee packages of more than 4 LP for non-tech roles, 6 LP for tech roles. Everything you need to know about the tests are available on the Relevel app. Right on the first app window, you will find the test instructions. You can even download the sample paper to check out the type of questions you will get for the test. If you are not feeling confident enough, scroll down and find videos from Relevel achievers. These folks are the one who have successfully qualified the test and are placed in different companies. These Relevel achievers have bagged packages up to 42 LPS, and more than that, Relevel has delivered jobs worth more than 2 crore in just last month. All rounds of the test will be completed in a single day and you will get your score. And the test needed to be completed on your laptop desktop. Remaining details like score, important updates can be accessed on the Relevel app. So once you qualify the Relevel test on the score, based on your score, you will get to create an amazing Relevel profile, which will be then be shared with the companies for further process. Sit back and relax. Companies will reach out to you based on your profile. The better the Relevel score, the more companies will reach out to you. If you are someone who don't have heard about Relevel, here are few benefits to participate in the Relevel test. First one is over more than 50 companies including top startups like and unicorns like Cred, Upgrade, Razorpay, Urban Company and many more are hiring through Relevel. 100,000 plus job positions across business development, front-end development, back-end development, data analyst, business analyst, completely online and can be taken from the comfort of your home. The best part of that, you can take this test for free. Finish your test in a single day of your choice and get your Relevel app, your Relevel scores card. The candidates can retake the test after 30 days if they didn't meet the qualifying criteria. To get the Relevel profile of the candidate has to score more than 700 in the test, which will be the qualifying criteria. Also, the candidates will be rewarded with exciting goodies like MacBook, iPhone, and many more for the highest rank holders in the re-level test. With Relevel, you are the unique position to invite interest from companies instead of hunting for opportunities on your own. Once you have a great score, you can sit back and relax. The companies will reach out to you. There are some few another benefits. The tests are ideal for candidates who are 18 plus or have less than 3 years of work experience. You should also be able to join within 30 days from your receiving the job offers. These jobs are not limited to BTech or MBA degree candidates. Anyone can apply as long as they are 18 plus years of old. Now let me tell you, there are top companies. These are the top companies which are hiring through Relevel. You can see Grad, Miso, Joperly, Upgrade, Escape, Grow. There are a lot of top companies. So if you want to work in these top companies, take your Relevel exam today. So there are total 5 positions in your Relevel app. So this is very trusted company by an academy. Now let me show the re-level achievers. So this is the re-level achiever Twitter page. Here you can see all the re-level achievers. Like this is Vikas. He scored 703 marks out of 1000 and he got offered the role of backend engineer. And now let me show, this is Aryan. He scored 750 marks. He also got backend engineer role. This is Subham. He scored 855 marks. He also got backend engineer. Here you can see all the roles. Like he scored 748 marks. He got sales executive. So here you can see all the re-level achievers on their website. This is Twitter page. I'll put link of this website also, this Twitter page also. So link to download the app is in the description box. So download your re-level app now. So if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in the comment box. You can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.